I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. So this is all basically my skincare products, body care products, and also nail products, and a couple of miscellaneous things are thrown in here. I will be doing a massive beauty Dollar Tree haul next. If you want to see what I picked up from my local Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. So let's start off with the more like miscellaneous products. I went ahead and purchased a couple of socks. These are both from the breast cancer awareness situation. These are their low cut socks and they fit 5 to 7 shoe sizes. And I just really loved the little designs that they had available. So I went ahead and picked up this first one. Is pink and it has a little breast cancer awareness ribbon. There's a close-up look at this first pair. And there's a look at the next one. This is a gray with like different variations of pink across the foot. It's just so cute. I've honestly had a lot of luck with Dollar Tree socks in the past, so I really did love those. So let's get into the nail products that I purchased. I have 2 of the B Color nail polishes. This first one is their Heart nail polish, which looks like so. And then we also have their Sprinkles nail polish, and this is vanilla scented. There's a close-up look at those. Really cute. Now this first one does have like different colored hearts in them. I'm not sure how that's going to translate onto the nail, but we also have this Sprinkles one. Again, it has white with different colored sprinkles in it. Let me go ahead and open them. There's a close-up look at the Sprinkles nail polish. How cute is that? And again, this is vanilla scented. Let's see. Well, it smells like nail polish. There's a slight vanilla smell, but wouldn't recommend you sniff it like I just did. We also have the Color Heart nail polish one as well. These are so cute. I did go ahead and purchase this as well. This is the Candy Mojo Vitamin E nail and cuticle oil, and it is peach scented. They also did have a purple one, but girl, I was like, I don't need 2 of them. And it's so cute because it has like a little plant inside. Look how beautiful that looks. And cuticle oil honestly is a product that you can never have too much of. It's just perfect to take care of your cuticles. Even if you have press on nails, you just kind of throw it on the side and it just makes your nails nice and healthy. It makes them grow stronger. So I really am a huge fan of cuticle oil. So it does say it is scented, but yeah, really love the little plant inside. It just makes it look even more luxe. I actually did see this the other day. So this is from Just for Girls Sweet Treat. It is a water-based scented nail polish and nail file. It comes with a little glitter nail file and this cute little nail polish that I could not pass up on. There's a close-up look at the nail file. But the reason I purchased it was for this nail polish. Look at how cute that is. It looks like a little ice cream cone. Ooh, that's so cute. So actually I do have another one of these open. These are the Revlon and Barbie nail files. It comes with 2 in here, and again I do have 2 open already, but I went ahead and purchased more because I always use nail files in my collection. And this collection also does come with a couple of the products, but at Dollar Tree they only have the little nail files available at the moment. Again, I did already use these and these are so good. I have 2 other ones open and they work amazing. So really had to repurchase a couple more. All right, next, this is another product that was a little like random. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for, but this is the Spa April Bath and Showers fillable bath brush. I was thinking I can throw it in the bath and you just kind of throw like soap in there. You can like scrub the tub or whatever it is that you want to wipe down, and I just thought it would be like a quick and easy kind of method to the madness. So there's a look at that. It does come with the little bristles on the back. You do like pop this open and throw some soap in there and you're good to go. So I'm really intrigued to see how this works. I'll definitely let you guys know what happens, but it looks pretty nice and it is like really soft as well. We have a lip product. I actually did repurchase this again. This is the Be Pure Hydrating Night Lip Mask, and I did open up another one and now I have this one. So I am gonna go ahead and leave this in the packaging because I don't want it to open, but it's so cute. I'm gonna put it in my backups for like whenever I run out of the other one. But it has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and shea butter, and it is a 2-in-1 lip mask and lip balm. So it looks really nice, and from what I gathered last night, I tried it for the first time, and honestly it felt really nice on the lips and it just felt good. So really love that. I have quite a few of these products from Be Pure. First off, I went ahead and purchased these under eye masks. These are called the Be Pure under eye mask with hyaluronic acid, caffeine, and collagen. They just looked really cute, so I picked 2 of these up. I also did pick up some lip masks. These are their Be Pure metallic lip mask with hyaluronic acid. Looks like so. These are just really nice, and they come in handy whenever I'm having my like Steph day, just hanging out, relaxing, do a little bit of self-care vibes. These are amazing for that. So these are the Be Pure metallic sheet mask with hyaluronic acid. Really cute as well. So I went ahead and picked up 6 different masks. So I saw that they had more of the Be Pure skincare products. We have the Glow Up Serum. I saw that there was a serum in this collection. Last time I went ahead and picked up the toner. I didn't know it was a toner, but I knew it. When I saw this, I was like, girl, yes. So this is the Be Pure, again, Glow Up Serum, and it is, it has watermelon extract and niacinamide. This is so cute. It comes with a pump. It is that glass kind of vibe again. So luxe, love. Ooh, so cute. And I also have the Glow Up Night Moisturizer. So excited about these. These are so cute. This is adorable. So again, their moisturizer looks so luxe. Again, glass vibes. Look at them together. We also have a couple of products from Bolero. So this is their hydrating body oil. It is their coconut milk and lavender scent. You guys know how I feel about body oils. I really do love using them after I come out of the shower and such. Look at the body oil. Look at how cute. They had a couple other scents and different colored packagings, but I just went ahead and did the coconut milk and lavender. We also have their body scrub, which you guys, again, I mentioned in, I filmed an empties video, but I mentioned that I really do love the body scrubs and salt scrubs from the Dollar Tree. They're really affordable and they honestly work really well. So this is a Bolero Hydrating Body Scrub, and this is their coconut milk and lavender scent again. And then this Big Daddy product I was super excited about. This is the Bolero Hydrating Oil Infused Moisturizing Body Wash, and again, coconut milk and lavender scent. But look at how huge this is. This is gonna last me forever, and I love me some body washes from Dollar Tree, salt scrubs, any like body products I love purchasing from Dollar Tree. And this is actually the last product for today's self-care situations. A very nice and relaxed video. So if you want to see my other Dollar Tree hauls that I've posted, it's going to be down below. I have a playlist which is always linked down below of all my Dollar Tree videos, so definitely check it out. I've done Temu videos, Dollar Tree, Shamasay. I do a lot of affordable beauty here on my channel, so definitely subscribe, stick around so you guys can see my future videos. And again, stick around because I will be filming a massive beauty Dollar Tree haul. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.